Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
The X app refreshes to show new posts and real-time notifications. This behavior uses background data, push services, and app timers to trigger reloads. Many settings appear related, but do not fully stop every automatic refresh. You must change the app permission that enables background activity to stop this. That single permission controls the app's ability to fetch and display new content without your input. Open your device settings to control app permissions and background activity. Navigate to Apps or Applications and locate X in the installed list. Tap X, then choose Battery or Background Usage to find background activity or background restrictions. Toggle off background activity to prevent the app from running in the background and fetching new content. Return to the app and verify that automatic refresh no longer occurs when you are not. Force stop and relaunch X to confirm background activity is disabled and working. If you still want critical alerts, allow only notification permissions while keeping background activity off. Some devices use battery optimizers that re-enable background services. Check battery settings to prevent that behavior. If automatic refresh persists, revoke extra network permissions and clear app cache before testing again. After these steps, the app should no longer refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.